Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today we will take a new chapter, that is the Sermon at Banaras. So, my dear students, let us understand this chapter with the help of summary. But at first, we will know the meaning of the title of the story. The Sermon at Banaras. Sermon is a new word for you people. That means a religious lecture. And Banaras, it is the name of the city. And my dear students, it is the story of Mahatma Buddha, and it was his first religious lecture thrown by him in the city of Banaras. So now let us understand this chapter in detail. Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC. गौतम बुद्ध का जन्म 563 बिफोर क्राइस्ट में हुआ था. ही वॉज बोर्न इन अ रॉयल फैमिली. उनका जन्म एक रॉयल फैमिली में हुआ था, एक शाही परिवार में हुआ था. ही वॉज अ प्रिंस. वो एक राजकुमार थे. हिज नेम वॉज सिद्धार्थ गौतम. हिज फैमिली नेम्ड हिम सिद्धार्थ गौतम. At the age of 12, he was sent away for schooling. That means when he was 12, his family sent him for his schooling outside of the palace. He studied all the sacred Hindu scriptures. There, he kept on learning, he kept on understanding, he kept on studying all the sacred Hindu scriptures. That means Granth. He returned after 4 years, just after the completion of learning of sacred Hindu scriptures. After 4 years, he got back to his royal palace. At the age of 16, that means जब इनकी उम्र 16 साल हुई, he married a princess. इन्होंने एक राजकुमारी से शादी कर ली. They had a son. उनका एक बेटा हुआ. For 10 years, the couple led a happy life. They kept on surviving, they kept on living their life peacefully, very happily in the royal palace for 10 years. Let us continue, my dear students. Siddharth had been shielded from the sufferings of the world. That means shielded means to protect from something. Means till the time Siddharth जब तक उस महल में रहा, means he never knew that what had been the sufferings, what had been the bad time, what had been the harshest time. कि दुख क्या होती है, परेशानी क्या होती है. He never knew about that. वो कभी इन चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं जानता था. However, when he was 25, कुल मिला के जब वो 25 का हुआ, सिद्धार्थ saw a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession. Finally, he came across a monk begging for alms. That means एक बार क्या हुआ, what happened once, when he came out of the palace in the search of hunt, because that very time princes and kings were fond of hunting. So he too came out from the palace in the search of hunt. So during that hunt, on the way, he saw a sick man. उन्होंने एक बीमार व्यक्ति को देखा. उसके बाद he found an aged man. एक बुजुर्ग आदमी को जिसकी उम्र ज़्यादा हो गई थी, उसको देखा. Then a funeral procession. फिर उन्होंने एक funeral procession देखा. Finally, he came across, means like meeting somebody बाय चांस। तो इनकी मुलाकात फिर एक एक भिक्षुक को इन्होंने देखा जो क्या कर रहा था, हु वॉज बैगिंग फॉर आर्म्स, जो भिक्षा मांग रहा था। नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड। This was his first encounter with the harsh realities of life. Something like this happened for the first time in his life. Such harsh experience, such harsh realities of life he faced. These sights made him so sad. अब ये जो दृश्य उन्होंने देखे, इट मेड हिम वेरी सैड। कंसिक्वेंटली क्या हुआ कि ये बहुत दुखी हो गए आफ्टर सीइंग दैट। Thereafter he decided to renounce the worldly pleasures. उसके बाद इन्होंने तय कर लिया कि जितने भी सांसारिक सुख होते हैं, that he got ready to give up all worldly pleasures. Let us continue. For that, he left his family and went out into the world to seek spiritual knowledge. उसके बाद उन्होंने सबसे पहले अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ा एंड वेंट आउट, और वो बाहर निकल गए इनटू द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया में, टू सीक, सीक का मतलब इन द सर्च ऑफ समथिंग, और वो समथिंग क्या है, लाइक स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, मीन्स स्पिरिचुअलिज्म, अध्यात्म की खोज में। मीन्स ही केम आउट ऑफ द पैलेस इन द सर्च ऑफ इनलाइटनमेंट, द ट्रूथ ऑफ लाइफ। Let's continue, my dear students. Siddharth Gautam wandered for 7 years in search of wisdom and truth. So, in the search of enlightenment, he kept on moving here and there into the world for 7 years. Finally, he sat down under a peepal tree to meditate. After all, हुआ क्या, एक दिन आफ्टर 7 years ही सेट डाउन, वो एक पीपल के नीचे, पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ गए, लाइक, एंड स्टार्टेड मेडिटेटिंग, लॉस्ट हिमसेल्फ इन मेडिटेशन। ही vowed to stay there until he got enlightenment. Means he kept on sitting under the peepal tree until he received, until he got the enlightenment. That means the truth of life. I hope you understand. Let's continue. After 7 days, 7 दिनों बाद, गौतम got enlightenment. गौतम got enlightenment. सो माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर 7 days वो 7 दिनों तक उस पेड़ के नीचे बैठे रहे, राइट। गौतम गोट एनलाइटनमेंट, देयर आफ्टर ही रिसीव्ड, ही एक्वायर्ड द नॉलेज ऑफ एनलाइटनमेंट। ही नेम्ड द ट्री एज द बोधि ट्री, उन्होंने उस पेड़ का नाम रखा बोधि ट्री। दैट इज, जिसका मतलब है द ट्री ऑफ विजडम। विजडम मीन्स इंटेलिजेंस, बुद्धि। He became known as the Buddha, which means enlightened or the awakened. He became, तो उसके बाद वो फेमस हो गए। He became famous, एक नाम से, the Buddha, बुद्धा के नाम से फेमस हो गए, जिसका मतलब है the awakened, means like किसी चीज का उदय हो जाना, awakened. Enlightened means लाइक कोई चीज प्रकाशित हो गई, फुल ऑफ लाइट, उन्हें मतलब एक सत्य की खोज हो गई। ही गोट टू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एनलाइटनमेंट। लेट्स कंटिन्यू। ही बिगेन टू टीच and spread his message of wisdom and truth. Means thereafter he started teaching the people, he started giving his religious lectures among the people, and spread the meaning of like the reality of life, truth of life. He became known as the Buddha, the enlightened. उसके बाद वो फेमस हो गए बुद्धा के नाम से, द एनलाइटेंड. So, my dear students, enough for the day. Thank you very much.